White fungus surrounding newly imported fish is not fate, but the result of missing the golden moments to protect them. Why does white fungus attack, right when the fish arrive at the farm? It is because the mucosal barrier has been destroyed, and the immune system has completely collapsed after the long transport journey. If you just release the fish into the pond and hope they recover on their own, you are gambling with high risks. This video does not only explain the infection mechanism, but also provides you with an effective treatment process to stop the pathogen and restore fish health immediately. The infection mechanism and broken mucosal barriers. Inside the transport bags, high-density collisions cause the protective mucus layer of the fish to peel off completely. These microscopic scratches are where fungal spores attach, to start the destruction process. At the same time, the spike in cortisol levels from stress paralyzes white blood cells, leaving the fish defenseless. When you release fish into a new environment, the fungus germinates and secretes protein-digesting enzymes to erode the muscle tissue. Without external intervention, the fish will be covered in fungal hyphae and die from respiratory failure within 48 hours. Step 1: Anti-shock and mucosal barrier recovery. The first and most important action is that you must compensate for the lost mucus layer by using common salt. You should use salt at a dose of 3 to 5 kilograms per cubic meter of water, right when releasing the fish. Salt not only kills some fungal spores, but also helps fish reduce the pressure of osmotic regulation. More importantly, salt stimulates skin cells to secrete a new mucus layer to cover wounds. This is a mandatory biological step, to prevent the fungus from having a chance to attach to the fish's body during the most sensitive stage. Step 2: Killing free spores with specialized chemicals. To completely eliminate the pathogen existing in the water, you should use specialized active ingredients, like Bronopol or malachite green, at the precise dosage recommended. Bronopol is extremely effective at inhibiting fungal spore germination, while causing minimal shock to weak fish. Chemical treatment should be performed continuously, for at least 3 days, in the quarantine tank. This action helps to completely remove fungal strands that are beginning to penetrate the skin layers, and protects the remaining healthy individuals in the flock. Step 3: Enhancing endogenous immunity from within. To resolve immune decline, you must supplement vitamin C and beta-glucan compounds into the water or feed. Vitamin C works to reduce shock hormone levels in the blood, helping the fish's defense system function again. Once the fish start eating, you should mix in probiotics and essential amino acids to support the regeneration of damaged skin tissue. Only when the internal immune system is fully restored, can the fish truly escape the threat of white fungus sustainably. The success of a new batch of fish lies in careful preparation, and your decisive action in the first hours. Following the correct process, including salt for anti-shock, combined with chemicals for antifungal, and supplementing vitamins for recovery, will help you take full control of the situation. What practical process have you used to protect new fish, and what were the actual results? Please share your solutions in the comments below, so we can build a safer and more effective aquaculture process together.